Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the most frequently asked questions here at Dalinghaus Construction for your foundation repair project. Today's question is, why is my house settling? That is going to be a complicated one. So this one's going to be a variable of certain situations. It can range from poor soil conditions, it can go from the age of your home, it can be from poorly compacted soils when your house was built. There's just a lot of variables that go into play as to why your house is actually settling. If it's the soils that your house is sitting on, more than likely you either have poor drainage or don't have gutters, and the water's just been able to saturate the soils over time and they've consolidated and they just don't have the compaction rating they had when the pad was originally built and your house was built. The other one can be is if you have poorly compacted pads, which we see a lot of on new builds, you may see and experience foundation issues like right away once you move in the house. We've repaired houses that have been less than 2 years old just because of poor pad compaction ratings. And then the last one is going to be the age of your home. Obviously, the longer your home is sat on a pad, it's going to continue to move. Soils at the top layer, and most of the time the footings in California and Arizona and Nevada aren't going to be very deep. They're only going to be about 12 inches below the surface. So you can imagine the amount of water that's able to get in there, rodents that can get in there. Like I said, there's just a lot of variables that go into what can compromise that soil and then ultimately cause your house to settle or sink into those soils. So hopefully that helps a little bit. Your foundation repair inspection will be able to help out and let you know exactly what's causing your particular house's settlement issues when you do your inspection. So sign up for that free inspection. All right, everyone, that's going to wrap up today's most frequently asked questions here at Dalinghaus Construction. We'll see you on the next one.